Do you know there are places on Earth that feel unfinished, not abandoned? Not destroyed, unfinished, places where the planet looks like it's still deciding whether life should exist at all. This is one of them. It's not famous. It's not visited often, and it was never meant to be home. This place is called the Danakil Depression. It lies in northeastern Ethiopia at one of the lowest points on Earth, below sea level, below comfort, and below safety. Standing here does not feel like standing on land. It feels like standing inside the planet. The ground radiates heat even before the sun rises. The air feels heavy, sharp, and dry. Breathing becomes something you notice immediately. Not because you're tired, but because every breath feels wrong. This is one of the hottest places humans have ever measured. But the heat here is not like summer heat. It does not come and go. It stays. The Danakil Depression exists where tectonic plates are pulling apart. Africa is slowly tearing itself in two. You cannot see it happening. You cannot hear it, but you can feel it. Molten rock rises close to the surface. Volcanic gases escape constantly. The land shifts, cracks, and reforms. This is Earth's internal system exposed. No soil, no forests, no balance. Just raw geology. Temperatures here regularly exceed 50 degrees Celsius. In the shade, but shade is rare, and even when you find it, the heat comes from below. The ground stores the sun's energy and releases it continuously. Night does not bring relief. Sleep becomes shallow. Rest becomes incomplete. The body never resets. In most places, water defines survival. Here, water defines time. Sweat evaporates instantly. You don't feel how much you're losing. Your body sheds moisture faster than your brain can register danger. Dehydration begins quietly. First comes fatigue, then irritability, then confusion. The most dangerous moment is not panic, it's confidence. People feel capable right before collapse. This is why extreme heat is so deadly. It lies. But heat alone does not make this place unlivable. The air itself is hostile. Sulfur dioxide rises from volcanic vents scattered across the land. Breathing becomes painful. The lungs react immediately. Eyes sting, throats burn. The smell is overwhelming. Each breath carries poison. Long exposure damages tissue. Short exposure overwhelms the senses. The body sends warnings constantly. But there is nowhere to escape them. The ground is deceptive. Bright colors cover the surface. Yellows, greens, whites, beautiful from a distance. Deadly up close. What looks solid may be a thin crust over boiling acid. One wrong step can break through the surface. There are no warning signs, no fences, no safe paths. The land does not forgive mistakes. This is why humans do not live here, not permanently, not safely. There are no cities, no towns, no infrastructure that lasts. Electronics fail from heat and corrosion. Engines overheat and shut down. Metal expands, weakens, and warps. Technology struggles. The human body struggles more. And yet, people come, scientists, researchers, explorers, not to conquer the land, but to understand it, because this place resembles early Earth. Hot, toxic, volatile. Conditions similar to what our planet may have looked like billions of years ago. Some compare it to Venus, a world where heat dominates, where air is dangerous, and where life, as we know it, cannot survive. Studying the Danakil Depression is like looking backward in time or forward. The mind behaves differently here. Extreme environments strip away distraction. Sound carries strangely. Distances feel distorted. The horizon shimmers constantly. The brain struggles to anchor reality. Time stretches. Minutes feel longer. Movement feels heavier. Thoughts slow down. Survival narrows focus. In places like this, the mind stops thinking about the future. It thinks only about now. There is beauty here, unnatural beauty. Salt plains stretch endlessly, white and blinding. Sulfur fields glow yellow against black rock. Acid pools bubble quietly, releasing steam into the air. It looks alien, not hostile in the way predators are hostile. Hostile in the way fire is hostile, impersonal, uncaring. People who travel here plan obsessively, water measured down to the minute. Exposure timed precisely, movement minimized. And still, risk remains. A vehicle breakdown can become fatal. A delay can become irreversible. There is no margin. No backup plan that guarantees survival. Psychologically, this weighs heavily. Knowing you cannot stay, knowing your presence is temporary, knowing the land will outlast you. Some places make humans feel powerful. This place does the opposite. It reminds us we are guests and unwelcome ones. The Danakil Depression is not a destination. It is a boundary, a line the planet draws and says, "Not here, not for long." As Earth changes, places like this may expand. Heat zones grow, water disappears, habitability shrinks. What feels extreme today may feel familiar tomorrow. This place is not just about geology. It is about the future. Humans cannot live here. Not because we lack intelligence, not because we lack technology, but because life requires balance. And this place has none. Earth is not designed for humans. Humans adapted to a narrow window of conditions. Step outside that window, and the planet reminds us. The Danakil Depression is Earth without compromise. No mercy, no adjustment, no apology, just reality. There are places on this planet where humans cannot live, not because we are weak, but because Earth is powerful, and it always has been. The question is not whether humans can conquer every place. The question is, should we try?